Hello guys, it's me Biru Ubai. Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Do you dream of being able to make money online from the comfort of your own home? Well, you're not alone. Thanks to the power of the internet, there are more opportunities than ever before to make money online. From freelancing and online marketplaces to affiliate marketing and e-commerce, the possibilities are endless. So, how can you make money online? Here are some proven methods to get you started. First, consider starting a YouTube channel or blog. Share your knowledge and expertise on a topic you're passionate about and build a following. Once you have an audience, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Another option is to offer your services as a freelancer. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or social media manager, there's a high demand for freelance talent. You can find clients through online marketplaces like Upwork or Fiverr, or by networking on social media. If you're interested in e-commerce, consider setting up an online store. You can sell physical or digital products, or even dropship products from a supplier. With platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, it's easier than ever to get started. Finally, you can also make money online by taking surveys, participating in focus groups, or testing products. While these methods may not make you rich, they can be a good way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. The key to making money online is to be persistent, patient, and willing to learn. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your online income streams into a profitable business. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of online income today and take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.